Today we're diving into Front, a shared inbox platform that's been making waves for teams looking to streamline their communication. But does it really live up to the hype, or are there some hidden pitfalls? Let's find out. Front is designed to bring all your team communications into one place, combining emails, messages, and social media interactions. The interface is pretty intuitive, which is a plus for teams that want to hit the ground running. You can assign messages, add internal comments, and even integrate with other tools like Slack and Google Drive for a more cohesive workflow. What stands out immediately is its focus on collaboration. You're not just managing emails, you're engaging with your team in real time. However, I did notice some areas where clarity is lacking. For instance, while the integration options sound great, the specifics on how they work together aren't always clear. This could lead to confusion for teams that rely heavily on those integrations. Overall, it feels like Front is targeting medium to larger teams that need a more organized approach to communication, but it may require a bit of a learning curve for new users. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Front's collaborative features are a huge strength. The ability to assign tasks and communicate internally without leaving the platform can save a lot of time. Plus, the interface is clean and user-friendly. However, there are some notable downsides. For one, pricing can be a bit steep for smaller teams or startups, which might make it less accessible. Additionally, while the platform is powerful, it can feel overwhelming at first. Some users might find it difficult to navigate all the features, especially if they're used to simpler email clients. Also, the lack of detailed customer feedback can be a concern. Without a solid foundation of user reviews, it's hard to gauge overall trust in the platform. In conclusion, Front is a solid choice for teams that need a shared inbox and are ready to invest in a robust solution. If you're a small team though, you might want to explore alternatives that better fit your budget and needs. Overall, it's worth trying if you value collaboration and organization in your community.